It's just, I don't think I've got enough room right there. Okay, same parallelogram. Draw the diagonals. And Cam said this a while ago, and I don't want to, you know, say, oh, he was wrong, but I'm glad you said it, because that's a common mistake, Cam, is thinking that if this one's right here, like it's 20, that one's going to be 20. It will not be. But okay, and you do have to be careful on that. This is parallelogram BCDE. Starts up here, and we're going to call the midpoint, the middle there, K. And we're going to say that the measure of angle EBD is 14x plus 4 degrees. And you don't have a lot of these that have x's in them. Most of them are arithmetic, which make it a little bit easier. And then the measure of angle BDE is 55 degrees. And the measure of angle BCD is 51. Now you can draw a parallelogram on your paper and sketch it, and you know, kind of, but if you use the geometer, it helps. If you have the picture on the printout, it helps it because it is a true parallelogram. And we want to find x, obviously. And actually, I think that's all they asked for. Oh, that's all they asked for. So EBD is this one, 14x plus 4. BDE is 55. BCD is 51. BCD, this whole one, and I'm going to put it out here, is 51 degrees. I'm going to do it like that. Oh, me. Now, where can we start on this one? Okay, here's where I would go. BED and BC are parallel. This angle and this angle are congruent because of alternate interiors. So alternate interior is going to be a big part of your lesson on these. Okay, all of this is angle, I'll say B, angle BEC, and obviously that's where your X is. If this angle is 51 degrees, let me just give you a sketch of what I'm talking about. If this angle right here is 51 degrees, do we know that angle? What do we know about the two consecutive angles in a parallelogram? They equal 180. So if you do 180 minus 51, you get 70, what am I doing? Something else. 9, that's not it. That's not what I want. Where is it? 129, there it is. Okay, so I know that all of this angle is 129. So where do we want to write it? How about right here? 14x plus 4 plus 55, see, all of that one is equal to 129. So I'm going to put my 4 and my 55 together. I'm going to subtract my 59. I get 14x is equal to, what is that, 70? Divide by 14, and we get x equals 5. Now, we could plug x back in, and we could get this one. We have enough information. We know all of this one is 51. We know all of this one is 129 because all of that one's 129. I still don't know that there's enough to do all the angles, but I actually think there probably is. We would probably have to know one of these. And I think that would be the part that would snag us up, that we couldn't finish it like we did in number 3. They're just messier. So you got to be careful with your arithmetic. Come see me. See, well, let me get you on screen there. Okay, that's it. We got about, depending on which clock you look at, we got about 5 minutes. So I'm going to stop this.